popular brands that you can help us know that these guys are operating with you now, and we can get that quickly over here?
Yeah, I think we're doing Epigamia, we're doing Rage
Right.
Coffee, we're doing Jimmy's Cocktails, we're doing Face Shop, and we're doing a bunch of other brands.
Okay. And what percentage of their orders are coming from their own website?
I think it's very dynamic because these are fairly omni-channel brands, and they're operating with e-commerce, quick commerce. A couple of them are also in modern trade. A brand like Epigamia is highly focused on general trade. So percentages of D2C order volumes sort of vary.
Got it. And what would be a high number for them? For any D2C brand? Like, is 50% high or is 20% high?
No, 50% is high.
Got it. So there are brands who are, who've been successful enough to direct enough audience to their own website and not get every single order be commission charged through Amazon, Flipkart, and other platforms, right?
Rage Coffee's done a very good job in building their entire D2C business, redirecting customers and building customer love.
I see. Yeah. So then for them, it doesn't make sense to kind of piggyback the Amazon's discovery value all the time. They have their own.
Absolutely.